everybody, welcome back to Niko Brothers. In today's episode, we got a special build. We got ourselves something that's going extinct. It's a squatted truck. Oh yeah. So we got a 2012 Silverado two-wheel drive squatter. Yeah, guys, check it out.
I mean, when we saw an auction, we didn't know.
We had no idea, but honestly, it said run and drive on it, so we're really excited, but it's still missing a wheel. That's just part of the game sometimes, you know?
They drag.
They drag, yeah, dang. So we put on a block, and yeah, the rear end that's how it is, right there. It's
I mean,
pretty
look at
crazy.
there's no lift kit on the back. So.
Nothing at all, so that's how they had it right there. Wow, like I said, this is a dying breed, guys. Actually illegal in some states, so it's a rare find for sure. But let's check it out and see what's going on. So what makes a truck squatted? We're about to measure the difference between the front and the back. So the Carolina squat, I don't know why they call it Carolina squat. I guess it originated in the Carolinas. I don't know where it came from, but whatever, guys. People do it. Spend a lot of time and money and effort to make it like this. So let's check it out. 17 inches for the wheel gap.
17 inches, Michael? Hold on, I don't believe you.
Check that out.
17 inches. Wow, that's like more than my lift kit on the truck.
Wow, that's pretty crazy. I mean, look what the control arms original. It's just barely hanging on there all the way down.
That angle, dang.
The brake line's just hanging there. You know, it's not bolted. It's just, you know, not extended. Or I guess that's an option. I didn't know that's possible like that, but that's crazy. So let's check. This is the good side too, by the way.
I mean, this side looks super clean. This truck's super clean, I gotta say.
It's pretty clean. It really is.
How many inches we got back here?
5.
We got 5 inches back here.
5 inches.
Wow, that's a really big difference.
12 inches.
12 inches, yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. A 12-inch difference. I mean, they legit lowered this side, right? So it's not even
I think they took off the little spacer in the axle.
Right.
To make it lower. But wow. I mean, this is a really clean truck, though, I gotta say.
Surprisingly, it really is. The paint job looks pretty good on it. I like how they painted the rear bumper. That's pretty cool. I mean, LT, so you got parking sensors, tow package. That's pretty sweet.
And we got what's inside the bed?
There's our wheel right there. It looks like a good wheel.
Flip it over. Maybe we just put that back on.
She heavy, yeah. We're gonna put that back on, but it's
now let's
there.
flip it. Let's see if the rim's good.
All right, let's get in there.
And the lug nuts are still there. We can definitely put that back on, Michael.
I've never seen a wheel that's taken off without taking the lug nuts off. That's one way. It's probably the fastest way to remove a rim.
Do you think it fell off because of the squat or because of the lift kit, or?
Probably hit a pothole or something. And
You probably didn't see the pothole.
I mean, yeah, it might have been. Who knows?
But we can get what? Need assembly for what, $100?
Probably, just like our other Silverado that we just did, and then, except for the squat part. But overall, it should be the similar process. Dang. All right, guys, we've been around salvage cars for a long time. We kind of feel like professional detectives. So we're gonna talk about the damage, how it probably happened. I mean, right here, we can see the wheels missing. It probably ripped off, bounced, hit the door.
That's a pretty big dent right there.
You can see the
tire marks.
Tire marks, right? We can see that. And then rolling around, it probably spiked into the other door.
With those lug nuts, right?
That is a clear puncture right there. So who knows how that happened, but we're just assuming, but we're thinking pretty much that's what happened.
All right, let's check out the inside.
Yeah. 149,000 miles, so it's not bad. Not bad for the year.
Wow, look at that.
It's not bad, actually pretty clean.
Super clean leather, and I don't see no air fresheners or anything like that.
Oh, they're there. They probably just took them off.
Wow, look at that. It's got like the custom screen on it.
That's pretty sweet. Let's get some power to it, see if it starts.
Let's see if this thing got an exhaust in it.
Most likely. 99% sure it does. go big or go home. It's kind of hard to see the positive connection, but you know, I'm just looking, trying to find it.
I mean, I already checked the oil. Oils look good, coolant looks good, so we can technically drive this thing.
Well, we're missing still the wheel, but yeah, let's see if it starts.
Hey, so run and drive, Michael.
Run and drive, don't question it. I have to hold that.
Well, I want to see it drive without a wheel. Hey, Copart says to run and drive.
You may drive.
Okay, I got power. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Totally matches the squatted lifestyle. It'll be fun. I mean, somebody's gonna have fun with it.
How about you turn it off? I'm gonna close the hood and you can see. Let's see if you can see over. Because a lot of people say you can't see over it.
Yeah, I never actually drove or sat in a squatted truck before, so this is the first. You know, let's just see how the feeling is. So far, it's okay. I like the big old screen. That's nice.
Does it work?
Yeah, touch screen and everything.
Oh,
I mean,
wow.
you have phone numbers you can put on, CarPlay. Pretty sweet.
All right, let me close the hood and we'll see.
Yeah.
All right, do you think you can see over the hood like you can drive?
It's not bad. I mean, obviously, if there's a big pothole in the bottom, it'd be kind of hard to see what's
What if
going
you try
on.
to park this thing?
Might be a little rough. I mean, don't worry about curbs, you know, just go right over it probably, so that's not a big deal. But if there's anything else in the way, it's kind of bad because I can't really see it. But I mean, the hood's there, you know, it's definitely in the way.
I'm thinking about if you need to load something, it's pretty easy. You just, you know, back it up and you're already kind of lowered.
Yeah, this thing actually has aftermarket trailer brakes. I mean, wouldn't it squat more if I put a trailer on? I mean, how low can you go?
Pretty low. Because we did find something in the back seat, right, Michael?
Yeah, the little spacers that they took out, so
We could put those back on.
we could make it an on-squatted truck. Leave a comment below, guys, what do you think we should do with it? I mean, should we make it run and drive? Should we make it back to original stock, or just keep it the way it is? I mean, maybe somebody loves it like this.
I mean, they're becoming illegal, Michael, so can we even sell this thing?
I guess. I mean, not in South Carolina, not yet. I don't think it's illegal just yet. So, who knows?
I mean, either we can save it, or we can fix it, or we can destroy it.
It's a lot of money. I mean, I don't know.
But pretty much what, we're gonna order a knee assembly for this thing,
Right.
make it run and drive, and then maybe do another drive, see what, you know, see what the lifestyle's about, you know?
Yeah, drive a squatted truck. Let's check it out. Alright guys, we got ourselves another truck. This one's more of a spontaneous buy. It's a 2012 Ford F-150 EcoBoost Lariat. I mean, honestly, it's really nice. Like I said, four-wheel drive, four-door truck. It was going pretty cheap on it. I was looking at the pictures like, yeah, it looks good, and we bid it and we won it. So weren't really planning on it, but whatever. It can't be that bad. So overall, leather, I mean, like I said, Lariat, that's really nice. Let's check out the damage, see what's going on. So somehow they opened the hood. They really couldn't close it. I mean, check this thing out. I don't know how that actually happens. Maybe somebody was trying to pry up on it. I don't know, but
Look at that.
yep, there it is. V6 3.5 twin turbo. I mean, it's nice. Definitely got some power to it. It's a desired motor for sure. So we checked that oil on it. We actually drove it off the trailer, so Wasn't too bad.
I did check the oil and everything, cool, good. But I mean, radiator condensers, all that actually looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Intercooler right there, it looks good. Frame rail looks like it took a little bit of a hit, but those are pretty easy to fix.
We're gonna see what we do with this thing. Maybe just take off the bull bar thing and check out the damage on it. We might fix it all the way, might just sell it as is as well. Why not? It's pretty good.
Let's check out this side. It's a really dirty truck, you just need a good wash.
I think it's really like just needs to be cleaned up. Overall, the tires look really good on them. The rims are sweet. I mean, once this thing gets cleaned up, it's gonna be a really nice, solid truck for somebody. Airbags didn't deploy on it, so that's a really good sign. Seatbelts still look okay. It's probably been sitting for a while. Oof. Fender's a little close. But yeah, we got power, everything. Probably need a jump box on it for sure, but get some power started up. So going around, going to the bed, we see the front differentials. Kind of worried about that. I was like, man, I hope it's not off this guy, but it's not. Sometimes Copart just throws all their junk inside somebody else's cab, unfortunately.
Or maybe the thing it hit.
Maybe, I don't know. There's some random parts in here for sure. Maybe a spare tire.
Oh, that's cool.
I don't know, some kind of grabber. Maybe a cleaner for something.
But it does have rear damage, right?
Our truck's blue, this is red bumper. But yeah, it does have some damage in the back. Tailgate was hit. Bumper definitely took a massive hit. I mean,
the tow hitch definitely took a hit.
Dang.
Poor car that had a hit or something.
I don't know what happened there, but it's pretty bad.
Well, other than that, the rest of the body looks pretty good, right?
Yeah, bed's good. Doors are nice.
Let's try to get this thing started.
Yeah. So this one was a run and drive as well on this Copart app, so let's see if it really is.
I mean, we did drive it off the trailer. Yeah, it sounds good.
Okay.
Has a little like stick to it, but maybe it will probably some hooks or something. But it's a nice, quiet truck, right?
Yeah, definitely a big difference from a squatter truck to this. Check engine lights on, but I don't see any airbag. I got a full tank of gas. I mean,
that's like what, $100?
At least. Nice.
Sounds good.
Not bad.
4x4. I mean, it's a nice little truck though.
For sure.
Are the seatbelts good?
Yeah.
Yeah, not bad. All right, so we had a fun day playing the auction. We got 2 trucks, and we honestly didn't know that this was a squatter truck. We saw it laying on the floor, and we just thought since the suspension's, busted out that it was like that. But right now, I mean, we don't know what to do, guys. Leave us a comment down below. Should we just, unsquat it? Should we just leave it alone? Because we just did some more research, and it is actually illegal to drive one of these. You can get a ticket. So, I mean, can we sell it? Probably, but who knows what we're gonna do. And the other truck too, I mean, we're gonna clean it, wash it, and we're gonna probably fix it up. Leave us a comment down below. Do you guys want to see that? Who knows, but we're still staying busy and fixing up that Silverado, but we still got to do a little bit of projects on the side. That's all the time we got for this episode, you guys. Leave us a comment down below what we should do, and we'll catch you guys next time.